Hi there, Mira Reisberg here, and I have a wonderful book I'm really excited to share with you, and it's called Go Girls Go, written by Frances Gilbert, illustrated by Alison Black. Um, and the publisher, which is uh, Beach Lane, an imprint of Simon and Schuster, invested some money in here because it's got embossed lettering here. It's really cool. I love the really, really bright contrasting blue against pink, orange and red against yellow, pink against red. Um, and it's just really, really fun. It's both a real sort of kind of 60s retro look and also very contemporary. And it's just beautifully designed, which they tend to do. And here we've got really colourful end sheets that hold the book together. And we start with beep, whoosh, vroom. The girls in this book are on the go. And so some really, really sweet, fun onomatopoeia. And I love the dedication. For my grandma, Mabel Owen, who never learned to drive but was always going somewhere. And then for my niece, Alison Harris, I can't wait to see the places you go. And that's from the illustrator, Alison Black. And it's just a wonderful combination of words and images in this really sort of kicky, smart, fast-paced, rhythmic book. My only negative is this is unreadable. I hate like 4 and 6 point type at the best of times, but when it's white against pink, it's like, give me a break. It's cruel. It's cruel is what it is. So go girls go. Oh, and I just want to do a shout out. Frances Gilbert, she's a major editor. I think she's at Doubleday, and I'm not familiar with the illustrator, but I will look out for her from now on because I love this. And it looks to me like it was done in gouache. Maybe not, maybe it's digital. It might be written here on the white text, but I will never know because it's unreadable. So Emma drives a fire engine. Meg conducts a truck. Jayla steers a big red tractor hauling loads of grain. And so it's a ABB pattern. Emma drives a fire engine. Meg conducts a train. Jayla steers a big red tractor hauling loads of grain. And loads is a much stronger word than lots, obviously. It's culturally diverse and it's very girl power oriented. And then here we get the great onomatopoeia. Vroom goes Emma. Hoot goes Meg. Clank goes Jayla. So it sets us up. Page before. Here we are. We've got the fire truck. We've got the train, and then we've got the tractor. And then we get a close-up of each of the girls. Go, girls, go. And then it's showing them actually in action doing things related to what they do. So it's very, very smart. Kelly speeds an ambulance. Ella revs her tow truck. Sarah's tugboat saves the day whenever ships are stuck. So it's very rhythmic, great, simple rhyme, but super smart. And it takes a minute to figure out this pattern that the author and illustrator have set up. So here we have the far view where we see from a distance the whole vehicle. Then the close-up. Woo goes Kelly. Whir goes Ella. Toot goes Sarah. Go, girls, go. And so the ambulance, the fire truck, and the ambulance driver are carrying the word go, and then the word girls is on the ship. So it's just super smart. Oops. And I shouldn't have said ship, it's a tugboat, on the tugboat. And isn't the art absolutely gorgeous? I love it. Um, it does look digital to me, but that she's brought in some little bits of texture. And it may even have been done in Adobe Illustrator because of the flatness of the color. I'm just going to share one more. And let me get it up close so you all can see just how wonderful it is. Ruby's in her taxi cab. Bessie flies a plane. Rachel builds a city tower with her giant crane. It's really fun. Beep goes Ruby. Whoosh goes Bessie. Bang goes Rachel. Go, girls, go. And just, so they're not just driving, they're also servicing the vehicles, they're working with them to do the things that the vehicles do. And as I said, it's just very, very smart, simple rhyming language, onomatopoeia, but just a super, super smart concept that's realized really beautifully with a great message at the end. So bravo, Frances Gilbert, and bravo, Alison Black. And Frances is a very, very smart lady. She did some critiques for our picture book writing course, and the students just raved about her. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm going to say bye for now. Bye.